Alrighty then, getting settled in here. Make sure you're following us over here and here and here. And of course, this is where you're going to get to learn on our Discord channel. Instagram's a lot of fun. It is Friday, speaking of fun. And let's get into some things here. This almost afternoon, a little bit of a late start for our Friday for me. Family situations, all that kind of stuff you guys have heard where we're currently at. Got the baby on the way, all that kind of good stuff. And super excited. I'm looking at the high time frames first. I'm listening in. I don't hear a lot of activity, but I'm hearing some activity. And we'll see if the markets are going to wake up here a bit for us, if we're going to catch some opportunities. RTY is looking super juicy. NQ sitting right in the golden ropes with some blue and greens right on the high time frame. So lots to look at here. Let's get rolling, shall we? We shall. Alrighty then, welcome aboard ladies and gents. Don't forget, trading is risky, not for everybody, but if you're gonna do it, hang out with us, probably a good idea. Make sure you smash that like button, those are free, and it really gonna help. You know, I was trying to get a rhyme right there, but hey, it'll help us out. Let's go, let's go. Oh man,
NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
I'm gonna lay off the rhymes and reasons here today and hope that my trading goes a little bit better. Yesterday, red day, so keeping that in mind, it is Friday. Sometimes can be some of the tougher days.
NASDAQ
Look at this
on the
drop.
Tues-
We got space here on RTY.
NASDAQ
I'm going to be
on
looking
the
for the
Tues-
juicy short. I'm going to hit in short right now. There's a red headshot just coming in. Happens to be coming in right as I'm sitting down. Let's see if we can make something out of it here on RTY. Oh, almost immediately met with buyers stepping in right here. Guys on the screen here. Okay, so way behind on that entry, and almost immediately as I'm entering, shifted. Yikes. Okay, and I'm hearing sellers. I got my finger over the close. If we break these crosses, I really need to exit here. All right, adding to position. I'm hearing sellers come stepping back in. Headshot. Hopefully, we can get that drop. There's a PRZ target right there for me. Like the infuse all of a sudden pushing up, and there's a green dot. I'm gonna close this one. All right, first trade. Yikes. Okay. Little overzealous looking over there at that one. It's hard for me when I'm kind of getting into the stream and I see setups coming in. If we break that green dot, I'll reinitiate. Past the king timing, I think we're gonna get the move here. MACV is red. Comes in Q coming into large timing. I want to hear some sellers. Double lines right there. Size account now, so I'm going to go choose. Got a red dot on the fives coming in up top. Right, there's my sellers. Going to give this one more shot here.
Harmonic pattern.
I'll have my finger over the close. I can always close it when I get back behind that red dot. I don't like buyers. Yikes. Closing it. Okay. 2 in a row. Rough ones right off the bat. And what else I don't have? I'm blaming the jams. Okay.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Are we gonna turn here again? Well, NQ might have to be my taker here. So weird. A weird play there. Red headshot, green headshot out of this. Oh, here comes my sellers. Right as I'm trying to take my screenshot. Come on. Come on. Oh, why is my screenshot utility hanging? Come on now. I want to reinitiate one more time underneath this line.
Harmonic pattern.
Double line right
Nasdaq
there.
on the 2s.
Right now, there, my friend. Look at that PRZ, juicy PRZ target down here, big white line down here, red dot, MACV red. Hopefully this is a
pattern.
fake.
Nasdaq
Okay,
on the
let's
2s.
see if we get a dot here. Give me a diamond dot, something right into the previous white line. I'm gonna go ahead and get short right here. I'm gonna get a little more risk here, and at this point, trade number 3. If this one doesn't work out, then I'm gonna trouble here. Out the PRZ target here. I'm gonna put this one right there, push it out.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the 2s.
Behind the white cross, is that behind the dot? Yes, behind the dot.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Yikes, MACV going green here.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the 2s.
Okay, I'm gonna take part off right here.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the 5s.
The NQ turning in on that spot there.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
Adding to
on the
position
2s.
as we go. Okay, now I've got to bring in risk because I am getting a bigger position here. So risk in. This trade doesn't work. I need to on the play. This should be one of those nice little curve looking jobbers. You can feel it right there.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the
Red
2s.
dot. I'm gonna go singles now. Add to position. PRZ target for 1. Again, this is the main spot I gotta take off. Gotta hit that right there. If I don't, trouble. Green dot coming in when you see that break, so that we remain with our histogram.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the 2s.
ES is red. About YM. YM is red. NQ. NQ is green though. But the majority is red, so I feel like we're okay here. Yes, we're right into a pink dot there now. Drop it.
Fib dot, Nasdaq on the
God, dadgummit. Okay. 3 in a row. Not a good look there for me.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 5s. Harmonic pattern.
Probably a bit early.
Nasdaq
There's
on
the
the
king
2s.
timing. I should have just waited for king timing for any of this.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the MACV.
King timing here, but here comes king timing here.
Fib dot.
Looks
Nasdaq on the
favorable.
2s.
NQ's coming down with a pink dot.
Fib
Okay,
dot.
hold on.
Nas-
NQ.
Fib
I'm
dot.
taking NQ.
Nasdaq
Taking NQ
on the
short.
wave.
We've got reds coming in. I've got reds on. We've got a pink on the 8s. I've got PRZ target down below. I'm moving it. I'll get you guys on the screen here in a second. Trying to get my targets in the appropriate location. Green 5. So pink dot coming in, pink dot on the 5s, drop in, and I'm going to try to maximize this to try to get myself out of my current spot here, 4th trade. PRZ target down below, put my targets into the PRZ target. There's the back of the shark right there. I'll keep that in
Harmonic pattern.
mind. I
Nasdaq
can go ahead
on
and
the
take
twos.
some off there at the back of that shark in the event that she pops. Shark back play. I'm going to try to get a full position here. I've got 2 more contracts to get full position. Playing off of the confluence dot. I'm hearing sells. Go ahead and add here in the sound. Stop will be behind that red dot right here on the 2s. And the drop is to 15, 1, 1, 11, it looks like. Drop it. Oh,
Harmonic
dadgummit.
pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Let the pink dot hold. Basically, that was our entry to begin with. Risk is on.
Fib
Yeah.
dot. Nasdaq on
Break
the
that
2s.
green dot. Break it. Need to see a green break. My sellers come into king timing. Double king timing. Double king timing. Okay, I'm going to take this, assuming we're going to break
Fib
there.
dot.
King timing
Nasdaq
for the
on
drop.
the 2s.
Want to try to maximize this to try to get myself into positive territory. Not, I may end the week on a big red day
Fib
here.
dot. Nasdaq on
Red
the
dot,
2s.
add to position. Let's go.
Fib dot.
PRZ target.
Nasdaq on the
Inside.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Red dot coming in. Let's
Short.
go.
Look
Red
for
dot up
short.
here. Double red dot on the 8s. Oh,
Fib
I'm
dot.
out. I'm out.
Nasdaq on
Can't
the
do
wave.
anymore. Can't do anymore. We got NQ's $1,000 a contract now. Talk about
Harmonic
that at
pattern.
the end here.
Nasdaq
Here we
on
go.
the 2s.
Break it. There's a big red delta. Let's go. First red delta. Let's go. First red delta. Let's
Fib
go.
dot. Nasdaq on the 2s. Fib dot.
I'm not
Nasdaq.
adding. I can't add
Delta
there.
buy building.
Why can't I add right there? I'm out of money. I'm out of money, honey. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Yikes. Green dot right here. I gotta respect that. I gotta take some off here.
Target
I'm pretty
filled.
heavy. I can't take that. Break it. Break it. Mac
Harmonic
D
pattern.
turning shifting
Nasdaq.
red. Let's go.
Target
Target's filled. I'll take it right there. Get you some. All right. I don't want to celebrate too much yet. We've got maybe some more here.
Delta
Let's
buy
see.
building.
Let's see. We may bounce up here. We've got HMD to the long side. MACV shifting red. Is everything red? Yes. ES is putting in a cluster. Okay. 5th trade coming here.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Let's do show all here. Okay. So, MACV. Red, red, red. ES is still technically green, but look at the cluster. You see this? I think we might be catching a big shift here any moment. You see this? And this up here, look, we could almost trade ES here. Like if this was anything else but ES, we could take that. Look at NQ. Oh, look at that. Okay, HMD played in. All right, I got my finger over the sell here. Coming into the first timing line. Well, if I hear sellers, I want to get in again. No sellers yet. Okay, this is probably gonna be a fake. This is gonna fake all the buyers. The buyers are gonna be like buying the dip. Oh, let's go, let's go. There's my entry. Okay, ERZ cross entry. I'm gonna give it a little more room here because I'm gonna dip my I'm toe in the water here first, as far as my size goes. All right, and then let's see if we can return to that bottom.
Harmonic
the
pattern.
close, add
NASDAQ
to
on the
position.
twos.
We took the turn, turned red. PRZ cross entry. Stay red. There she goes. Give me that speed. Let's go. Add to position. Here's my sellers. Hear them? Okay, now I'm bringing my risk in. There it is. PRZ cross. Classic. Push. Timing bars. Don't turn right there. Drop. Okay, gotta be careful. See that line right there? We might hang here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the twos.
RTY, now putting in a red headshot. I'm gonna dip my toe in the water on that red headshot on RTY. Red headshot on RTY. My right screen. Managing this one. Finger over the close. Here in sellers. Drop it. Drop it! Drop it. Drop it. Get down. Okay, I'll be manually closing this one. He's going. He's going. Come on. You know you want to drop. Here's large. Here's large. Give
Fib
me a
dot.
red.
NASDAQ on the twos.
There's now it is a double dot over there on RTY. Double red dot headshot. Adding one to the position. Put my stop right above the headshot. Trying to manage this one here on this one. Drop it. I have to close this one and just go over to RTY. Oh, come on now.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the twos.
Closing it. Nope. I like the one on RTY better. Look at all the reds coming in on RTY. Zoom in on the RTY.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on
Drop
the twos.
it. Okay, NASDAQ is on its king timing.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos.
Go RTY. Right at the low. Phyllis. Fill it. Get me. Come on, hit me. Yikes. Gonna white cross me right there, really? Drop it. Give me like a double cross here. Fantastic. Come on now. Drop it.
Fib dot. Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ on the twos.
In Q, there's that red dot coming in on NQ, pushing her down.
Fib dot. Fib dot.
Okay,
NASDAQ
come on
on the
now.
back V.
Yikes, are you gonna break that? Come on now.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the Tuesday. Fib dot. Nasdaq on the wave.
Permian, come
Harmonic
on,
pattern. Nasdaq
now just
on the
gonna
Tuesday.
double tap and run.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the Tuesday. Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Drop it. Sellers. Talking about. Get down there.
Fib.
Should have stuck with NQ. Look at NQ on that huge drop. Drop it. Oh no, here comes the big delta. This might be the end of it. Bunch of people getting in short right there. So we could be trapping right here. Here in sellers, but RTY is hanging and we just put in a big delta there. That's not good.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the Tuesday.
Come on, red dot, add to position here. Okay, I mean, I'm either basically turning this into a red day. It's this final trade set up here. It's either red or I'm getting big green. There's a PRZ target right down there for the final
pattern.
touch.
Nasdaq
Big white
on the Tuesday.
should be the push. I would expect that we come down there to pick up that volume there, but might be early. Could be trapping that big delta right there. That could be the end. You see that one there? Same size. This could be the turn. Look at this. Look at NQ. I'm sitting over here farting around with RTY again. Drop it. Come on, RTY. Help me out here. Got all these reds here. Come on now. Give me a little bit more there. Drop it.
Target
Thank
filled.
you. Oh my word. Is that a shark right there?
Delta buy building.
I'm closing it. I mean, NQ's made this huge run. RTY here. I don't want to end the week on a loss there. Took a loss yesterday. Look at this
Fib dot.
on NQ.
Nasdaq on the
This
Tuesday.
is the one I should have stuck with. Should have stuck with her. Look at that. There's our
Harmonic
move. Come back
pattern.
in here.
Nasdaq
Look
on
at
the Tuesday.
this. Look at this beautifulness.
Delta buy building.
Oh man, NQ would have been such
Fib dot.
so much
Fib
of an
dot.
easier play.
Nasdaq on the Tuesday.
I got tempted in by all this. Look over here on RTY though. So you can see why I got tempted into that. I mean, look, there's just everything is just red. You know, she's covered. You know, she's probably also gonna drop. Just it would have been easier on the NQ. Yeah, I'm a little gun shy. It's a Friday, and I do have some obligations
Fib
here this
dot.
afternoon.
Nasdaq
We're gonna
on
go
the Tuesday.
finalize some stuff on our
Fib
pool,
dot.
which we're super
Nasdaq
excited
on the
about,
fives.
and all of that. But yeah, so let's see what ES did. So ES up on that cluster. Yeah, it looks like the cluster is finally going to start kicking in. If that drops at point, that could be a big one. But I've got to get going for the afternoon. Let's quickly recap everything here and see what Trump has to say
Fib dot. Nasdaq
about
on the
this.
fives.
Why are you gay?
What?
Why are you gay?
Oh, yes.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the
Look at this guy.
All right, Trump, what do you think there, bud? Okay, so let's pull in our stats here. Today is the 6th. All right, after commissions, 341, 6 trades. We did end up having to pull the final 6 trade bonus trade. No longs, all shorts. Didn't do too well. This is actually the largest drawdown of the contest so far, but remember, we're increasing size as well. So remember, that's relative. We are, we're pushing up in our P&L now. We're no longer really
Harmonic
small
pattern.
account
Nasdaq
challenge
on the
territory.
twos.
Oh, look at this.
Fifth dot.
Is
Nasdaq
ES still
on the
dropping?
wave.
Okay. All right. You know what? Let's stick to the plan here. This is mostly for education for everything that we're doing right now, but if this is just me, I'm probably going to take a couple more trades right now. There's great opportunities. The speed just picked up right now. I would almost reset my timer clock and start in right now. This activity is looking much better. Putting in blue dots over there on RTY now with red back behind it. You're getting speed. You can hear them coming in on the tape.
Delta buy
Yeah,
building.
good opportunities coming in right about now. Double king timing right here. Oh, that is so tempting. That is so juicy tempting right here. Is it? Isn't it? Oh. I'm about to take a trade. Hold on. We may not be done. Hold on.
Fib dot.
Double king
Nasdaq
timing.
on the MACV.
Green dot. Accumulation should be here.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the MACV.
All right, I'm adding one more here.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Oh, that harmonic's probably gonna stick me. Drop it. Drop it in there. Drop it in there. Break it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Long. Look for a long.
Terrible entry.
Fib dot.
King
Nasdaq
timing.
on the wave.
Drop it. Out of there.
Long. Look for a long.
Oh, there's a PRZ up top here. Yikes. MACV shifting green. Yes.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
ES gonna turn. If ES turns, this should just drop out. But if it's gonna hang here, then this could become a problem.
Fib dot.
Red dot,
Nasdaq
green
on
dot. Yikes.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
All right, here's my red PRZ. Push me down back into a green PRZ down below. That would be fantastic. Here's my green dot. Give me a break there.
Harmonic pattern.
Drop
Nasdaq
it.
on the twos.
Target filled.
Okay, we'll take a little. You got some more in you? Come on there. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Target
There you go.
filled.
There you go. And there's Delta. I'm gonna close it. Oh, that's all right. Gonna have to say, you guys need to get you some.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the twos.
Delta Vi building.
Can't get no deeper. Deep in the bottom.
Oh, I didn't have my microphone on. Oh, so excited about that trade. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, man. What do you think about that there, Trump?
Okay.
Delta Vi building.
You can't touch this.
Can't touch this.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Look for a short.
My.
Yes.
Here comes the money.
Ain't nothing wrong with celebrating a little bit of a win. Okay. Let's bring our performance report back. And let's see where we're at. Okay. Little that was just too tempting. I mean, it's like, all right as we're about finished, all of a sudden now the market's gonna wake up.
Delta
Okay,
Zelf.
that's when you
Fib
really
dot.
want to play right
Nasdaq
there.
on the twos.
Okay, and now we're probably going up. So I would probably keep playing this, and I'll be looking for longs right now. You see that? This is that's finished off. Long side. Oh my word, are we gonna get a long? Hold on. I don't think we're
Harmonic.
done. I don't think we're done. Hold on. Hold on.
Fib dot.
RTY may end up being a little bit better here. Let me see. There's my one spot to possibly get along. Pull me back just a hair. Pull me back. Pull me back a little hair. There. Little mini J hook here.
Fib dot.
Green
Nasdaq on the
dots.
twos.
Let's go. Gonna get a long play after all into our performance. Here we go. Get up there. Yeah, we know we're going against main MACV, so we're not trying to get greedy here, but see if we can get a target one out of this. There's a big pull up there. Open is also well up above us. And into this little
Fib
cup.
dot. Nasdaq
Oh,
on the twos.
yikes. Okay. That's unfortunate. Get up in there. Get up in there. We're on large timing. Come on, push it up a little bit more. Look at this delta shift. You've got more than that in you. Don't Vinny. Tempted you to come up in here. Back here. One. I'm just gonna take it off when we get up there. I'm just getting fancy now. I
Harmonic
want
pattern.
a long in my
Nasdaq
performance
on the twos.
report, and this is the one spot to get it. Get it. Get it. I'm hearing buyers. Come on. In queue. Why are you
Fib
dropping?
dot.
I hear the
Nasdaq
buyers. Let's
on
go.
the MACV.
Give me a little bit more than that. Come on now. Oh, you're gonna do me dirty like that. Green dot, come on.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 5. Fib dot.
Blue dot, add to position. Blue power dot, get up there. Get up there. PRZs, I'm good
Target
inside of
filled.
here. I'm gonna close it out right there. Oh, we're gonna get some long up in there. Look at that, look at that. Oh man, get you some. Look, the speed and everything is coming in right now. The plays are coming in. There's double dot, turns into power dot right there. Thought it was gonna kind of J-hook and push, but you know, adding in right there is good. So what does a J-hook look like? There's no, the algo J-hook did not kick in on that, but you can see it. J-hook players, you should be able to recognize this. Press F8. And we are pushing in right to about here. So there's the J-hook. All right, we got the trap. That's clearly a trap. People trying to get in right there some more. So, and then we hang up right above it. Whereas the second part, there's everybody's trying to get short right there. Boom, wrecked. Right here for target 1, target 2, target 3. Classic J-hook
Fib dot.
scenarios.
Nasdaq
If
on
we
the
can get up
wave.
there. We want to ideally get in where? Right there.
Harmonic
That's the
pattern.
ideal.
Nasdaq. Harmonic
At
pattern. Fib
the
dot.
green double
Nasdaq
lines.
on the
Blue
2s.
dot happened to show up right there. Nice. Now, did I play it as a J-hook right there? No, but I thought the crown was showing here. I thought it was actually going to be a shorter crown. A little bit of a bigger crown there, and now this may, you know, push all the way down. Who knows? Doesn't matter. We got a little bit out of it. Not trying to get super greedy. Oh, let's see if she goes. She going to go up there to... That's the target
Harmonic
one.
pattern. Nasdaq on the
Looks
2s.
like it. See if she goes. Pure academic purposes. Got the double dots right there. King timing. Of course, king timing could be the ender, but we got plenty of space right here. There she goes. And there's target 1 for your J. Again, J hook's a little bit more complex, so I always tell you guys, be careful of that. Oh, there's your PRZ cross. That may signal the reversal point right there. But play what you see, react. Don't anticipate. Although the J-hook is a little bit more of one of those that you have to anticipate, which is why I told you guys even in last night's video, you know, J-hook is one of those more advanced scenarios, but play them enough, you know, practice, and then in the real game, it'll be easy. Okay, we've got some long trades. Oh, yes. Where is that?
EA Games.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq
All
on the 2s.
right, let's do this.
Smoke weed every day.
No, don't do that.
Delta by
Well, I
building.
can't let the kids in the office while you guys are hanging out with me. Y'all are bad influences. I'm blaming you guys. Just joke. All right, it's Friday. Have a little fun. My trolls are gonna have a lot of fun with this video, so you guys go ahead and hit that thumbs down for me because I know you guys love it. You guys love to do it. All the haters. Okay, here we go. 59.6%. We got the long. I'm just so excited about getting some long action in our P&L performance here today. It's exciting. I'm over here watching it. Very, very tempting to keep playing right now. Lots of good action and speed. Again, when the markets have this good speed, it's a lot easier, folks. Again, do you have to sit around and do all that? No. I still recommend come in, sit down at your desk, hour to 90 minutes. Actually, how far are we in? I've only been here 38 minutes. Okay. Not too bad. This has not been a lengthier session. Still got plenty of time, but it's time or numbers of trades, right? These are your guidelines. These are your rules for operating your game. There are always reasons, though, when you've got to go outside those bounds, and we'll talk more about that in some new videos as we're talking about going through our series called Get Good, right? Our
Harmonic
Get
pattern.
Good series. If you
Nasdaq
aren't watching
on the
that,
2s.
go and start in. There's 2 videos into that series right now. We'll continue to push those out there.
Delta
Also, do
by
not
building.
forget, it is this is summer, folks. It is August, and at the end of this August, September the 1st, gold will no longer be in its current state in the way that it is. And if you're not getting in right now, you're gonna regret it after September the 1st if you are planning to come in with us.
Short.
The
Look
stuff is
for
going
it
to change.
short.
We're adding an additional bot coming in that's going to be included in the gold pack for those who are in here right now. I've always told you guys a long
Delta
time
by
who've
building.
been hanging out with me here for the last 5 years out on YouTube while we've been public, that if you're here when I'm small, I said I will remember you when I am big. We have reached that point, folks. We are getting big numbers around with our crew and continue continuing to expand, and you guys rock. So we're going to be changing up some things. The new website is released on September the 1st, and so again, I don't want to beat that dead horse, but if you want to get the best deal ever, come into our room there, do the 2-week free trial. You still got plenty of time. We're still at the beginning of August. If you do a 2-week free trial, you are getting the best offer ever. We're taking the Black Friday offer that's the best. Then we're taking an additional $1,000 off of that. Talk to my boy Casey over there, and he'll get you hooked up with that. If you got questions, let us know, and I will talk to you guys on the weekend if you guys have time. If you want to get on a call and ask any questions that you have, we can try to get that through for you. All right, final part here. Stats, there they are. I'm going to go through this quickly with you guys. We are now a month into the contest, but on day trade number 24 of the contest, Gen Trading days versus actual days, we are definitely 1 month in, but it's on day 24 of the entire thing. 61% profitable overall, 22K, 2.35. So this is, again, this is the kicker to our trading strategies, is that profit factor, 2.35
on the twos.
Awesome stuff right there. Take a peek at the stats. I'll run through these quickly. You guys have seen these each night or each day as we've been going through these. Half hour a day for the entry time. Let's go to net profits. There it is. We trade obviously more of the end of the day stuff than other parts of the day. This does not mean our strategies work better over here. It just happens to be my personal schedule where I am. We talk a lot about that in the video training, so go and take a peek at that.
NASDAQ on the twos.
Overall, everybody likes to see, everybody likes to see this one where we come in to set this to day, and let's go to cumulative. So there's where we are, starting to get a little ricketier over here. And see, what else do we want to see? Max drawdowns.
Harmonic pattern.
So yeah, no
NASDAQ
surprise.
on the twos.
So again, as our account gets larger, okay, as we're growing, we started with our small account challenge. You know, look, these are going to get bigger. So always take those into account. I love it how, like, when people come and start trolling the stats and be like, oh, look, it's getting worse. Also, again, like, take everything into account. Please, if you're going to troll, be smart about it, or give us the opportunity to, like, tell you, you know, some additional pieces of information. I get these emails all the time from anonymous but good intentioned individuals,
on the twos.
but you know, they're just always off in the things and their assertions. Like, they look at one stat or some individual thing and they just see something and they're like, oh, it must be this or that. You know, like, hold up. Slow your roll. There's nothing really to look at even here. We're pretty steady across the boards on every single day. Algobox is at that, reached its point in its maturity level where, you know, there's no weak day. There's no weak point that I can see. I'm very, very proud of our tool sets, through the rules. Makes it a lot easier to see and view. Okay, well, let's do the other thing. So against Ross, everybody complains back and forth. We've stopped officially. Today will be the last day we'll talk about this, Friday. So come Monday, we're not going to talk about Ross's shift where he's, you know, claiming he reset on the 12th. Whatnot, but I will show in the event that you want to do compare for compare.
On the wave.
Here are the stats for where we are if you want to take Ross's reset on his days, which again, he did not reset. He did not reset his account. He had actually still taken the same amount that he had grown his account. He just turned off what? He turned off leverage, and he should have. He teaches his students not to use leverage, so when he started in his first week and he's using 7 times leverage, you know, again, I'm out here doing exactly what I tell you guys to do, to show you how I would do it, starting at the small account, doing what we're doing. That's what we're taking the opportunity to do with this, and at the same time, rocking and rolling and having some fun and some competition. You guys know I love some competition, and Ross, the biggest guy out there on YouTube, and why not go out there and let's showcase what we're capable of doing. Anyhow, I hope you guys are enjoying it. Have a fantastic weekend. Love you guys.
NASDAQ
Blessings on your
fives.
families, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang. Thanks for hanging out with Vinny and Minnie in our place. Let's send out that big H-Town. See ya.
Fib dot.